I'm here to tell you a little bit about my new Elevate program, which is starting really soon on the 2nd of September, and I would love you to join me. I will tell you exactly the benefits of how you can get to the most amazing results. The overarching theme this year for Elevate is you being at your fittest, your strongest, your healthiest, your happiest, your leanest if you want it at any age. So whether you're in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, your 60s or beyond, there is no reason whatsoever without the right nutrition, the right workouts, the right exercise, the right support, the coaching, the mindset that you cannot get there. And I will be delivering that to you every single day online. So it doesn't matter how busy you are, what you've got on socially, what's happening with your family life, stressful situations that will occur. Over the 12 weeks, I will help you, I will support you, I will motivate you. The Elevate program has been the most successful program I've ever created. And I've been creating online health and fitness programs since 2007. We've already got a great group, a great community who are all pushing forward, all helping each other, supporting each other with this amazing program. And I'll be there every single day. So you'll get a nutrition plan, you'll get daily workouts, different workouts every single day that you can do at home. The home workout market is just growing and growing and growing. We're also busy. Everybody's busy. It's difficult to drive to the gym, go to a class, go to a workout. It's hard to fit it all in. But at home, if you've got some simple equipment, weights, a kettlebell, possibly a step, an activation band, that's all you need. And 20 minutes a day, and that will get you into phenomenal shape. I've got some phenomenal programs. I've been a fitness trainer for 34 years. I've got over 500 different workout videos that you can use on the Elevate program, and they're all going to be new, all different. So if you haven't exercised for a while, don't worry. I've got some low intensity workouts for you to start with. If you've injured, if you've just recently had a baby, we've got a great program of Pilates and core strengthening exercises that are going to help you get back on track. If it's mindset you need, it's motivation, maybe you start all guns blazing, then a few weeks down the road, you start to feel that you're not getting the results that you want. I'll be there. I'll be helping you with top class motivation and mindset training every single day. I'm live in the group 5 days a week, helping you, answering your question. And nutrition, again, we know so much more about nutrition now, evidence-based nutrition, how that we can help you lose weight if that's what you want, maintain the weight, or get healthier, get happier, feeling more positive because you are feeding your body with the best nutrition. There is no food that's off limit. There's no good or bad food. There's food that is going to take you closer to those goals. There's food that is going to make you feel good, make you feel happy, make you feel relaxed, make you feel that you're not being deprived, and that will all be included. I'll teach you how to track your calories if that works for you, or I'll teach you how to use a habit-based approach if that works for you. And there'll be different protocols as we go along, so you'll never get food fatigue, you won't get bored, and I'll show you how you can keep going for this healthy, happy lifestyle. So if you've tried lots of other options, or maybe you've done this with me before and you want to get back on track, I'd love to work with you. The group's now open, and you also get 2 complimentary recipe books. If you book before the 31st of August, you get the 10-minute recipe book. You also get the slow cooker recipe book, which are going to help you. And of course, there's endless amounts of recipes in the Facebook group. The Facebook group is where it all happens. That's where we all meet, that's where we chat, that's where you'll get your information, and that's where you will use as a springboard for you to get these amazing results. So regardless of what you've done in the past, regardless of your age, regardless of what you're thinking, what your self-limiting beliefs are, my Elevate program is the program that will get you where you need to be. Let's make that conscious decision. Jump in on the early bird, click the link below, and I'll be waiting.